Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a very exciting vlog because I'm moving and I'm so excited. So for those of you guys who don't know, who haven't really been following along my journey, I lived in Nashville for the last 6 years, and then I decided that I really wanted to focus on my career. And so once my lease was up in Nashville, I decided to move out and start applying to jobs, interviews, things like that to pursue my dream career. And during that, I moved up here to my family's lake house just while I've been doing the whole interviewing process, and I finally landed a job and I am so excited. So we need to pack. So this is a little hectic right here, but basically I accepted the position on a Friday, and then 2 weeks after that I need to start. So it's very fast moving. I am now going to be living in Tulsa, so that is very exciting. And so me and my dad, we went to Tulsa a couple days ago, toured apartments, signed a lease, all of that, and now it is time to pack and head over there. I literally am going to be starting work, I think, exactly 1 week from tomorrow. So I'm really nervous, but I'm also really excited because it's exactly what I've worked for, and yeah, I'm super excited. But yeah, we need to pack. So this is gonna be part one of my moving vlog. So I want to share with you guys kind of what, so this is kind of what I'm dealing with. Me and my dad, we just drove in, so I have some stuff right here, and then I have all of my moving boxes. Well, not all of them, 2 of them. So I basically just need to pack and take everything from my closet and put it in some boxes. And then I have like my little makeup box right here, which I want to repack, get some bubble wrap, and get another box just because I have a bunch of like palettes and stuff like this in here, and I don't want them to break or shatter or anything, so I need to like really pack that well. So yeah, that is the current update. But yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm really excited for this new journey and chapter in my life, and I can't wait to take you guys along with. And now it is time to get to work and start packing, which I think should be easy because mostly everything I just need to put all of my clothes from the hangers and then just put them in a box. So I think it should be easy, but let's get going. Current update, I am making some progress. I am currently watching One Tree Hill on my computer and packing. This is my 3rd box. I have so many clothes, you guys. Like, I feel like this is not normal. Like, I have so much. I think I have like 5 or 6 big boxes of clothes, and then I have like 3 suitcases of clothes as well. Like, I just feel like that's not normal, but I wanted to start vlogging because, you guys, so right now clearly it is the middle of winter. If you guys can see outside, it's super snowy out, but I'm getting to all of my like tank tops and like my Broadway outfits from Nashville, and it's making me like miss Nashville because of all the like sparkles and things like that. Like these tops right here I loved so much, and so I'm just like reminiscing all of the Broadway time. But yeah, I'm going to continue to put all of this in this moving box. I've cleared out a good amount. Like, I've cleared out some of this, and then I've cleared out all of this, which were like my dresses and like short sleeves and stuff like that. But a lot of this I'm gonna keep in a suitcase that I'm gonna be like using as like my outfits for the next week, since it's really cold outside. So yeah, that's the update. So a little bit of an update. I have a lot more than I thought I was going to, and I feel like that's just what happens when you're moving. I feel like you always think, at least this has happened for me during my moves, is that I always think I have less stuff, and then when I finally like put everything into a box, I'm just like, holy crap, I had so much more than I originally thought I would. So I have a lot. So let me show you guys the progress and what I've done. So I have completely taken everything out of my closet. I had this up here because this was in one of my moving boxes, but the way that my shower is in my new apartment, I'm not going to need that. And then I guess I used to have this like little dream like thing. I actually had this in my freshman dorm and I've just kept it all these years, and honestly I just like don't like it. It's just not my style, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this up here. I emptied out all of these, which is great, and then I've been taping my hangers in like stacks of 10 so it's easier to move them, because before I just threw them all in a box and they got so tangled and it just wasn't the best way to do that. So I also have this bag. So yeah, all of my clothes are now in boxes, which is great. I have a couple of clothes up here which I'm gonna put in my duffel just to hold me over for the next couple of days. But the part that I am dreading, you guys, also I took everything out of my dresser, but the part that I'm dreading is all of this because I don't know what to do with this. I have so much makeup and I've gotten a lot of makeup since I've moved. So I have those on the top and bottom, and then I also have like a full another box of makeup, and then I obviously have my little makeup underneath like all of those clothes right there, but that's like packed to the brim so I can't put anything else in there. And then I also have all of my books, which I don't know how I'm going to organize this because I have them all right now in a box, but the box that they're in right now, also I have like all those stacks of books as well. But the box that they're in right now is like a box that doesn't have handles, so it's really hard to like carry because it's so heavy, because it probably has like 50 books in that one tiny box with no handles. So it's really hard to carry, so I need to figure out that as well. But I have a couple other like smaller boxes, so yeah, basically now I just kind of have to figure out my makeup and my books, and then also like all my like toiletries and stuff like that. I have stuff in the bathroom here that I need to bring, so yeah, but at least the clothes is all like done and complete, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Now books and makeup, that's on the agenda. Also, I already packed all my food as well, so like all my canned goods. I had some like pasta, rice, some like sauces that I haven't used yet. Like I have a bottle of ketchup and a bottle of like barbecue sauce that are still wrapped and not used yet. So things like that, like my spices and stuff, so that is all in a box ready to go as well. So definitely making progress, but I only have a day to do this because my dad drove me up here this afternoon and then we're leaving tomorrow morning. So, and right now it's 5:40, so busy day of doing all of this. It's just all happening so quickly, which is so crazy. But yeah, so now I need to do makeup and books. Here's my storage unit and we are about to unload everything into the moving truck. And just like that, everything is out. That's the last cart of stuff. You guys, I just made it to the apartment and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start moving everything in. I'm absolutely obsessed with this barn door that goes to my closet. I think it's so cute. But yeah, time to move in. So it's the next day. This is the current situation of the apartment. Very messy. And then we also have like all of this. My bed is not even put together. So we have lots to do today. Hello guys. So wow, it has been like a week since I last started this moving vlog. Everything has just been so crazy, so hectic. I started my new job, so today is Friday, so it's officially been 1 week since I've started my job. It's in the morning. It's still like kind of dark in the morning. Like right now it's 7:45 and it's still like a little cloudy out, which is unfortunate because I feel like the lighting here is not the best. But I did want to update you guys because like I said, a lot has happened. I have just been so busy with work, and when you work like sports or events or something, like you're going to be working nights, and so I already worked like a couple hours into the evening the other day, so I've just been so tired, so I haven't really picked up the camera. But here we are. My apartment is officially all done. I definitely want to do like a more dedicated like apartment tour or like vlog where I show you guys like more about my apartment, but I wanted today's vlog to basically just be more of like the moving process and announcing that I'm moving, which is so crazy. But yeah, stay tuned for more Tulsa vlogs, more work vlogs, like women in sports, working with baseball. That's all what I'm going to be doing on my channel, so I hope you guys are ready. I know I'm so excited. So yeah, that is kind of what's going on. I just got ready for work. I just need to change my outfit, get some coffee, and then I'm going to head off to work. Like I said, it's Friday, so it's about to be the weekend. So yeah, I wanted to kind of like end off the vlog right here. I know this vlog has kind of just been all over with moving. It's just been so crazy because it was just me and my dad moving us, so I don't want to just like vlog all the time because I need to actually be helping him and like getting the move ready. But yeah, now it's all done. Like I said, my apartment is officially done. It's officially complete. It feels so good to have all of my furniture back because I obviously didn't have any of my furniture when I was at the lake house because all of my stuff was in storage. So the fact that I just have everything again is just makes me so happy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more exciting vlogs. I'm so excited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.